Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are good at your places and are safe. Okay, students, we have already discussed the assignment 2.8. Today we are going to discuss the assignment 2.9, in which we will discuss how to divide the two rational numbers. Okay, so the first part is, by what number should 4:1/2 be divided to get a number 3/2? By what number we have to divide 4:1/2 to get 3/2? So let the number be x. Let the number be x. That means the required number that we have to obtain, I assume it as x. So according to question, by what number will divide 4:1/2? So 4:1/2 divided by x, because we assume that number as x. So after dividing we get 3/2 according to question. Okay, students. So 4:1/2 is an expression. I will just solve it and convert it into the rational number. So 4 into 2, it will be 8 plus 1 will be 9/2. So it will be 9/2. Multiply sign. See, here you have divide sign. So I just remove the divide sign, put multiplication sign, so that the number after it will get reciprocated. So x can be written as 1 by x now. So 3/2 as it is. Okay, students. So see, now 2 here is in division. So 9/2 as it is multiplied by. I take this 2 and just write it here. Here 3. When it comes here, it will be here. Okay. 1 by x. X is in division. When it goes here, it will be this. Okay, students. So 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 is 9. So the x is 3. Okay. So our required number is, students, 3. Okay. So the required number is 3. Now in the second part, product of two rational numbers. Product of two rational numbers is 3/7. Okay. And one of them is minus 70/25. One of them is minus 70/25. See, students, there are first number and second number. If this multiply them, we get 3/7. Okay. Out of these rational numbers, first one is this. We have to find the second one. So I let the second number is x. So solution is, let other number be x. Okay, students. So according to question, if I multiply this number by this number, we get 3/7. So minus 70/25. Then multiply by x, we get 3/7. Okay, students. See, 25 is in division. When it goes here, it will be multiplication. So x is equals to 3/7 multiplied by 25. Okay. 70 is in the numerator. When it goes here, it will be minus 70 here. Okay. Now we'll try to cancel out the numbers. So it will be, see, 5 5 is 25 here. 5 is 5. The remainder is 2. So 5 4 is 20. Okay. Now no number is getting cancelled out with each other. So just multiply them. So 5 is 15 upon 14 into 7. 14 into 7. So 7 4 is 28. 2, it will be 98. Okay. With negative sign, so we can just write it as minus 15/98. So this is our required answer. Now, dear students, our second question is, we have 8 parts, okay, in which we have to just divide into two rational numbers. Okay. So first part is 6/7 by minus 3/14. So we have to divide 6/7 by minus 3/14. That means 6/7 divided by minus 3/14. That means 6/7 as it is. Okay. So we replace this division sign with multiplication sign, so that number after it will get reciprocated. So it will be 14 by minus 3. Okay, students. So 7 is 7, 7 2 is 20. Sorry, 14. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So it is 2 twos are 4 upon 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. See, minus sign can be shifted upward. So 4 by 1 will be 4. So the answer is minus 4. Okay. Now in the next part we have 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 divided by 4 by 5. Okay students. So 5 by 12 as it is. Replace this by multiplication sign. Okay. So the number after it will get reciprocated. So it will be 5 by 4. See students, how no number is getting cancelled off with each other, so just multiply them. So multiply numerator by numerator. So 5 times are 25 and 12 fours are 28. Okay students, now we do our next part. 5 by 12 as it is divided by 2 by 5. Okay, so 5 by 12. Students, this replace this division sign and multiplication sign. So the rational number will get reciprocated, it will be 5 by this. Okay, so now no number is getting cancelled out, so just multiply them. So 5 times 25 and then it will be 24 students. Okay, now in our next part, 5 by 7 divided by 17 by 25. So we can write it as 5 by 7. Replace division sign with multiplication sign. So 17 by 25 will get reciprocated. It will be 25 by 17 students. Again students, no number is getting cancelled out with each other. So just multiply them. So just multiply 25 by 5. It will be 125. And this 17 will multiply by 7. This 17 will multiply by 7. So 7 7 is 49, 4. 7 is 7 and 4 will be 119. Okay. So 125 or 119 is our required answer. Now in our E part, we have to divide minus 4 by 5 by minus 2 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 as it is multiplication sign. So take the reciprocal of minus 2 by 5. So it will be 5 by minus 2. So 5 ones are 5, minus 2 ones are 2. So the answer is 2 students. Okay. Now in our next part, minus 8 by 9 and divided by 3 by minus 4. Okay students. So minus 8 by 9 as it is multiply sign. So just reciprocate 3 by minus 4. So it will be minus 4 by 3. Okay students. So neither of them is cancelled out. Neither of them is cancelling out. So just multiply. So minus will be plus. 8 4s are 32. 9 is 27. So answer is 32 by 27. In our next part, minus 5 by 17 divided by minus 3 by minus 170. Okay students, so we just replace it by multiplication sign. So the fraction will get reciprocated. So it will be minus 170 by minus 3. So minus cancel out with minus, 17 ones are 17 tens are. So it will be, see, now 3 is not cancelling out by 5 as well as by 10. So just multiply numerator and denominator. If you just multiply numerator by numerator, so 10 when multiplied by minus 5, minus 50, 3 ones are 3. So minus 50 by 3 is our required answer. Now in our last part, we have minus 4 by 3 divided by minus 3 by 4. Okay. So minus 4 by 3 as it is multiplication sign. So just replace reciprocate minus 3 by 4. So it will be 4 by minus 3. Okay students. See, this minus is getting cancelled with minus. Others will be same. So 4 4s are 16. 3 3s are 9. So 16 by 9 is our required answer. Okay. Moving forward to question number 12 students. See, in this question also we have to just divide the two rational numbers. Okay. So first part is minus 28 by 7 when divided by minus 5 by 9. Okay, students. So minus 28 by 7 as it is. So it will be 7 as it is. So just replace division sign with multiplication sign. So the rational number after the division sign will get reciprocated. It will be 9 by minus 5. Okay, so let's see. This minus sign will cancel out with minus sign. Okay. So 9 is a 9, 9, 3 is 27. So this 28 is neither cancel out by 3 nor by 5. So just multiply. So 28 into 1 is 28 and 5 is 15. So the answer is 28 by 15. Okay, students. Now in the next part, minus 8 by 35. We have division sign. Okay. So minus 8 by 35 as it is. Multiply. Just replace division sign with multiplication sign. So the term after it will get reciprocated. So it will be 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now there is getting cancel out now. So just multiply. So 4 is a 12. So minus 12 by 35. Okay, students. In our next part, we have 8 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 6. This implies 8 by 9 replace division by multiplication sign. So minus 5 by 6 will be reciprocated. It will be 6 by minus 5. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Now this multiply them. So 8 2s are 16 by minus 15. Students, we can shift this negative sign upward. Okay, so it can be written as minus 16 by 15. Okay, now we have part B. We have 36 by 5. See, we have division sign. So just replace my multiplication sign and reciprocate it. So 4 by minus 9. Okay, so 9 is a 9, 9 4 is 36. Now just multiply them. So 4 4s are 16 upon 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5. So it can be written as minus sign can be shifted upward. So it can be written as 16 by 5. Okay. Now in this part we have 11 by 2. Division sign is replaced by multiplication sign and reciprocate the term. So it will be minus 2 by 30. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now 11 into minus 1 will be minus 11. 30 into 1 is 30. So the answer is minus 11 by 30. Now in our next part we have 7 by 9. Replace it by multiplication sign. Okay. Now this minus 2 by 3 can be written as 3 by minus 2. Okay. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So 7 ones are 7. About 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Now we can shift this minus signs upward towards the numerator. So it will be minus 7 by 6. Okay. Now dear students, our question number 4th and 5th are just same. So first we will discuss question number 4. That is the product of two rational numbers. See students, there are two rational numbers. See, first one is this, second one is this. If you just multiply them, it is 5 by 8. If one of them is minus 3 by 20, so you have to find the second one. Okay. So we have to find the second one. So just assume that second one is x. So let the other number is x. Okay, students. So according to question, if I just multiply these, if I just multiply the first rational number with second rational number, if we just multiply them, we get 5 by 8. Okay. So we have to just find out the value of x. So therefore, x as it is, 5 by 8 as it is, multiply. See, 20 is in denominator, so when it goes here, it will be in the numerator. Okay. Minus 3 is in numerator, so when it goes here, it will be in denominator. So we can write it as like this. So if it is cancelled out, so 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8. Now no other number is getting cancelled out, so just multiply them. So it will be 5 5s are 25. 3 2s are 9, 6. with the negative sign, that is minus 6. Therefore, x is equals to, we can shift this negative sign upwards. So it will be minus 25 by 6. Okay. So the other number is, that is the second number is minus 25 by 6. Similarly, student, in this part also, product of two rational numbers is given by minus 7 by 5. If one of them is minus 1, we have to find the second one. Okay, so let the other number be x. Okay, students. So we assume that other number is x. So according to question, the product of first number and second number, so the product of minus 1 with x. See, the product of minus 1 with x is equals to minus 7 by 5. See, students, we can write it as x as it is, minus 7 by 5 as it is. See, 1 is in the numerator, so we can shift it in the denominator. Okay. Or minus 1 can be written as minus 1 by 1 also, so we can write 1 here also. Okay. Now this minus sign will cancel out on the minus sign, so x will be 7 into 1, that is 7, and 5 into 1 is 5. So the answer is 7 by 5. Okay, students. So I hope you understand all of these 5 questions. So this was the last question of our assignment 2.9. So students, just practice these questions, okay? And we will discuss our next assignment in our next class. Till then, just be safe and be at your home. Okay? Thank you.